Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can turn on notifications for your workspace on Slack really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to Slack, access the workspace you would like to enable notifications for. And what you want to do after that, guys, is left click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen and select preferences, and that is going to open up that window for you. And here inside that menu on the left hand side, you will see at the top this feature here, notifications. So here you can customize your notification settings. However, guys, if you disallowed, for example, Slack to send you notifications in your browser, for instance, if you're using Google Chrome or any other browser, you will need to enable them there first. To do that, guys, head over to your accounts or browser settings to do that. For example, you're in Google Chrome, click on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that drop-down menu. After that, here inside your browser settings, head over to privacy and security on the left hand side and select site settings here. After that, inside your site settings, scroll down a bit till you get to the permissions section, and here inside click on notifications, and last but not least, scroll through that setup here, and here under not allowed to send notification, you will most likely see Slack. If you previously disallowed Slack to send you these notifications, there you go. Here, as you can see, is Slack. So what you want to do, guys, to enable these notifications is simply click on these three dots next here and click on allow. That is going to give Slack the permission to send you notifications, and that's basically it. Once you have done that, head back to your account here on Slack. Let me close that window, maybe refresh the page if needed, wait for a second, and after that repeat the same process. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, select preferences, and there you go. Now, as you can see, that label or badge has disappeared. So now you can go through that setup here and decide, for example, whether you'd like to enable notifications for direct messages only, or for all new messages, or for nothing maybe. If you'd like to get notified when someone, for example, replies to a thread, and so on and so forth, guys. Also, you can schedule your notifications, customize the sound and appearance of notifications, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, pretty simple. That's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.